Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We're on the beautiful YZ today, and we're gonna be mixing some gas. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. As y'all know, it could be a stressful situation, but we're gonna get through it, and yeah. Alright, so we're cruising to the gas station. As y'all know, like, it can get a little sketchy. I ain't gonna lie, it can get a little sketchy just riding through out here in the fucking streets like this, bro. But you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. And my heart's already beating, bro. We ain't even at the gas station yet, and my heart's beating. Alright, we made it to the gas station, and yeah, dude, this is so, as y'all can tell, like, just having the two-stroke at the gas station, it's scary. It is scary as I yell. Alright, put the card number in, block out my PIN, so none of y'all scammers can get me. Alright, this is a sketchy part. Alright, turn the bike off. See, I had the bike running that whole time just because I'll be sketching out, you know. Alright, make sure we got everything set. Alright. Get a little quick check going on, bro. Even though, to be honest, I'm not riding, so... Come on, dude. This is the sketchiest part. It's like just chilling, getting some gas. So yeah, this is how you do it. If you're wondering how to mix a freaking two-stroke, all right, got a gallon in there. All right, gas is in. Let's check. Alright, so this is how I do it. I usually fill my bottle up to 8, and every gallon of gas I put in, I put 4 ounces of oil. So right now we're at 8, so we're going to bring it all the way down to 4. Bring it all the way down to 4. A little more. And we're at 4. Got some girls sketching me out, bruh. Alright. Now the mixture is complete, but you ain't done yet, boys. You ain't done yet. So yeah, we're at the gas station. See if I can get a little thumbnail real quick. Alright, we got the gas, and now we mix. What do you think? What do you think? Cool? Cool or no?
Yeah, it's good.
You want to ride it?
No, I never liked the motorcycle.
Hey, they're fun.
All my life, never liked it.
Yeah, no, I feel you, I feel you. Alright, now this is how you mix the two-stroke. And you hope for no freaking popo to be around. This is like a pretty chill gas station, low-key, just because like it's pretty like covered, which is like, the thing is with the two-stroke, like it takes a little bit longer to freaking fill up than like a normal 4-stroke. So like you got to mix the gas, you got to check how much gas you put in it so you know the mixture is correct. Alright, and now we go shred, bro. We're done here. Make sure. I'm a little OCD with my mixture, as y'all can probably tell. See that smoke, bruh? So you know your mixture is not the best. I'm just kidding. So yeah, we got the mixture correct right now, and now we just sort of floss, you know, vibe out. This is street legal. For everyone who's wondering, this is a street legal bike. You all know me, bro. I got my street legal two-stroke. It is what it is. I might be capping, but dude, it's just nice to like cruise, bro. Like, you don't even, oh, I'm gonna go this way. You don't even really gotta like pull up. It's just nice to cruise around, just vibe, bro. A little skate park action, bro. Yeah, so we made it to a little skate park, a little local. Hello. And that's the little skate park session. Yo, it's crazy though, like, even though I got like the 450, I got a 150, the two-stroke still holds such a strong place in my heart, bro. There's something about that two-stroke, just mixture, the smell, the freaking sound. It just, like, listen to this, bro. Like, oh my gosh, bro, it's just money, bro, money. And gang, we're back at the cribbo, back with the YZ, bro. This bike, I barely put that many hours. I probably got 4 hours on her, but I can tell you one thing. This and that two-stroke are just, it's a great combination to have. That two-stroke for the tune-in, bro, the four-stroke for hitting combos. I just feel so blessed and happy, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support every week throughout my videos. It really means the world to me. I got some crazy videos coming soon. As y'all know, I've been sick, so that's why I haven't been really filming as much as I usually do. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys the YZ real quick because, and yeah, it's just chilling in my living room, so you know the freaking vibe. Remember, follow your dreams, gang. I freaking love you. Stay motivated with merch in the description down below. And yeah, thanks for the support. Till next time. Peace.